Okay, welcome back. So number 39, Emily is selling greeting cards. The graph models a linear relationship between the number of boxes of cards she sells and her profit. Look, the first thing I want to point out here, it goes through the origin, and it's a linear graph. So that means that y varies directly with x. So y over x, not k, is equal to our value. So whatever she's making, whatever she sells is going to end up getting multiplied by that k value. So if I were to talk about in terms of solving for this, I'm going to pick two perfect points. And there's a point here and there's a point there. So I know that when she sells 4, so our y is 40, or 30, and our x is 4. So I'm going to take 30, and I'm going to divide it by 4, which is going to be k is equal to 7.5. So that means that every time she sells one card, or one box of cards, sorry, we're talking about boxes, so the number of boxes. So every time she sells a box of cards, she makes $7.50. So my answer is going to be A. Now, let's check this. Let's double check, because we know that it says, so then that means if I were to write our equation and our direct variation, that'd be y is equal to 7.5x. Okay? So if I sell one box, that's going to be about 0.75. That looks close. It's close to 10. That's close enough. So, and if she sells 2 boxes, so 2 times 7.5 is going to give us 15. That's right there in the middle, right where it's supposed to be. That's perfect. So, yes, this is our answer. Each box she sells, she makes $7.50. All right, number 40. The daily attendance at a bowling alley is recorded for 15 days. The scatter plot shows the number of lanes rented each day and the number of people that bowls each day. Which statement best supports the supported by the scatter plot? Well, I may not necessarily. The nonlinear association between the number of lanes rented and the number of bowls. No, I'd say it's linear. There's a negative linear association. No, it's not negative. There's no apparent association between the number of lanes rented and... No, there's an apparent, because it's close. If I were to draw my trend line, okay, we were talking about in terms of drawing this, that's... Yeah, it's close. So there is an apparent association. There's a positive linear association between the number of lanes rented and the number of people who bowl. Yeah, it's positive. It's going, and it's somewhat of a straight line. If we were going, it'd probably look something like this, going on and increasing. So J is our answer choice. Number 41. I'll do the last two in the last video.